In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new users to your Xero organization. Whether you're looking to bring a colleague on board or delegate some accounting tasks, it's a straightforward process that can save you time and help your team become more collaborative. Let's get started by locating your business name at the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. It's your gateway to accessing all the necessary settings for managing your account. Once you've clicked on your business name, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option. This is where we'll manage the existing users and make room for new ones. Next, in the Settings menu, find and select Users. This section is designed specifically for you to manage your user base. Here, you have the freedom to add, remove, and even edit the permissions of users. It's a powerful tool, allowing you to tailor the access each individual has to your organization's data. To bring a new person on board, you'll need to look for the option that says Invite a User, located at the top right. With a simple click, you'll be prompted to fill in the details for the new user you want to invite. This involves entering their name, email address, and determining the permissions that suit their role. Xero offers various levels of access, ensuring you can customize their experience based on what they need to see and do. Once you've carefully inputted all the necessary information and set their permissions, go ahead and send the invitation. It's a seamless click of a button, and this action will trigger an invite to the new user's email. At this point, the ball is in their court. They'll receive an email invitation with instructions to accept your invite and create their Xero account if they haven't done so already. This means that they will be responsible for setting up their credentials and getting acquainted with the system. And just like that, you've added a new user to your Xero organization. Remember, it's important to communicate with them regarding the role they'll be playing and any expectations you have. If any issues arise, they're free to reach out for help, and you can always adjust their permissions down the line if necessary. With new users seamlessly integrated into your Xero organization, you're well on your way to enhanced cooperation and efficiency in managing your business finances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made this process clear and simple for you.